when it happens, I knew I wanted her.
He was one of the kids' doctors. And so I always had a baby in the room. I think that it was like that kindness of, wow, here's a man taking care of my child, which my husband was never, he wasn't a bad person, don't get me wrong, but he didn't have that caring side.
Most of my life I was into skinny girls. I always look at the ass first for some reason, I don't know why. There's very little that I really don't like. I think women are just attractive. I just love women,
If only desire were not such a shiny trinket.
When I went to give birth to my third child, I was especially moved because it was a holiday. He was out of town. He literally traveled back 3 hours to be there present at my labor. I was so touched by that. I'm like, wow. And then that's when I decided to leave him a note at his office anonymously.
You don't know the circumstances, you don't know the emotional, physical turmoil or not turmoil they went through. This doesn't have to mean everything everybody says it does. In fact, what if it means nothing? And what if it was just two bodies enjoying each other's presence? It was arguably the most positive experience I've ever had sexually. And emotionally, actually. Like, it was the moments we were together were incredible.
I have to say, feeling guilty kind of heightens the experience that you have in the affair. Steal kisses with someone in elevators or private places where you won't get seen. It's a lot more exciting.
I had been married for 10 years when I left. And then I went back to him, and we were together for another 7 years. And the last year of that relationship, of those 7 years, I was unfaithful again.
You have to look into why men and women seek affairs. If they are in a meaningful relationship, why are they seeking an affair? Maybe that relationship isn't so meaningful after all.